Hi everyone, I'm Kushal and welcome back to Skillshetra. In today's walkthrough, we are tackling BugDB version 1, one of the trickier challenges on the Hacker101 CTF platform. This challenge is GraphQL based, which means the exploit revolves around understanding introspection and query crafting to extract sensitive information from a bug database. The ultimate goal? To map the schema, analyze the queries, and uncover the hidden flag. Step 1. Schema discovery. Our journey begins with introspection, one of the most powerful features of GraphQL. By running an introspection query, we can uncover every available data type in the schema. Think of it as drawing a blueprint of the database before attempting to break in. This instantly gives us a roadmap of possibilities, which objects exist, and what data might be accessible. Step 2. Query field analysis. With the schema mapped out, the next step was to zoom in on the query type itself. Here, we ask GraphQL, what fields can I actually query? This single step is crucial. It doesn't just tell us what data exists, but also how we're allowed to ask for it. It's like finding the list of valid keys before unlocking the doors. Step 3. User discovery. Once we knew the available queries, it was time to put them to work. We started by querying for users. This simple move gave us a list of usernames and user counts, the first tangible data leak. Now, instead of blindly guessing, we had real targets to investigate further. Step 4. Complete data extraction. Finally, with everything in place, we crafted a comprehensive GraphQL query to pull out all the user data and their associated bugs. This was the jackpot moment. Now, the query returned a complete dump of sensitive information, and within those bug reports, we uncovered the hidden flag. And that's how we solved BugDB v1, by chaining together introspection, schema analysis, field discovery, and structured queries. If you're learning CTFS or web security, challenges like this are perfect for mastering gRPHQL exploitation techniques. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Skillshetra for more hands-on cybersecurity tutorials and CTF solutions.